metal-oxide and green-synthesized nanoparticles under light generate reactive species to degrade antibiotics. Plant extract-mediated synthesis reduces toxicity and cost of photocatalysts. Advanced electrode materials oxidize antibiotics and inactivate resistant bacteria efficiently. Plants, substrates, and microbes synergize to remove antibiotics and ARGs in engineered wetlands. Specific enzymes and engineered microbes target antibiotic molecules for breakdown without secondary pollution. Combining adsorption, photocatalysis, electrochemical and biological steps enhances removal efficiency. Showcase pilot-scale or demonstration systems and their performance metrics. Address material stability, energy use, scalability, and byproduct safety for real-world application. This chapter presented novel materials and nature-based solutions, inspiring practical implementation.